Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the correlation coefficient on the Casio calculator. So the first thing you want to do is press menu if you're not already at the main menu. And then option 2 is statistics. So go over, execute. Then you type your X variable into list 1. Then you go over and then type your Y variable into list 2. Okay, that should be good. And I'm just picking random numbers right now, but you will be given the table on the quiz or exams. So after we do that, we need to calculate our x times y, which will go in list 3, x squared, which will go in list 4, and y squared, which will go in list 5. So we go over, up, up until list 3 is highlighted. Then shift 1 types out the word list, but then you have to tell it which list. So 1 times shift 1 for list again, 2. And execute. So that's x times y. Okay. And now if I want x squared, that means I want list 1 squared. So I go over until list 4 is highlighted. Shift 1 for list. Oh. Notice I didn't type list. So shift 1. Why isn't this working? Shift 1. There we go. My button's just sticking a little bit. Okay, so then list 1 squared. And that's x squared. And now we go over to list 5 and we want list 2 squared. And there's our y squareds. And now, before we can use the formula, we want to add up all these lists. So we need to go back to the calculator screen. So that's menu. And then option 1 for run matrix. And then to add up the list, you need to press the option button. And then you see right here where it says list, that's F1. Oh, press the wrong button. After you press F1, it brings you to the list. Now you're going to look for sum. I don't see sum here, so I need to press this arrow or F6. Still don't see sum, so F6 again. And then sum is the first option, so that's F1. And then shift list 1. So the sum of x is 24. And then we just go repeat that process for list 2. Repeat the process for list 3. Repeat the process for list 4. And one last time for list 5. And that gives us our sums. And now we can go up to see all the numbers. So 24, -2, -15, 154, and 120. Then we would plug that into the formula, which I'm not going to show on this video.